tell us about the pine.
So this is southern yellow pine, often referred to as hard pine. So it is harder than, say, your eastern white pine or hemlock. So it is considered a hard pine. Within the tree, you have the heart of the tree. The heart of the tree is a slower growing area which creates a harder part of the tree, which is hard pine. So this is actually heart pine, comes from the same tree, but it's from the heart of the tree. These particular boards here are reclaimed. So these are probably at least 150 to 250 years old. In some cases even older than that. It was often referred to as king's pine because it was something that only the kings used for their ships. So it was a very well-known product, and it's very durable, very hard, rigid, and strong. It's almost as hard as red oak, which is amazing because these are actually conifers. Typically conifers do not have wood nearly as hard as, say, a nut-bearing tree. So oak is considered hard, and even though this is a pine, it is as hard as the oak. Here's the grain on it. And here's the grain on a typical southern yellow piece. That's Flooring 101 for today.